Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here, simplify. We have to simplify this expression. So 15 multiplied by 3 to the power m plus 1 plus 9 into 3 to the power m divided by 2 into 3 to the power m plus 2 plus 15 into 3 to the power m plus 1. So this is going to be, we can take 3 from here and put it in this power. So we have 5 into 3 to the power m plus 2 plus, we can convert this into power of 3 and combine it with 3 to the power m. So we have 3 to the power m plus 2 divided by 2 into 3 to the power m plus 2 plus, we can take one of the 3 out of here and put it in power of 3 over here. So we have 5 into 3 to the power m plus 2. This is with the law that a to the power m plus n equal to a to the power m into a to the power n. So we have used this. Let's see. We can take 3 to the power m plus 2 common. So in multiplication 5 plus 1 divided by 3 to the power m plus 2, 2 plus 5. So this is, we can cancel out these two. We have 6 by 7. So answer is option C.